Join me as I put the OnePlus ACE to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype. OnePlus has been a significant player in the smartphone market for years, known for offering high-performance devices at a value-driven price point. Their phones have consistently delivered top-notch performance, sleek designs, and innovative features. This reputation has built a loyal following among tech enthusiasts. The company's journey to the ACE has been marked by continuous improvement and a keen eye on consumer needs. OnePlus has historically pushed the boundaries of what's possible in a smartphone, often introducing features that become industry standards. Their devices are usually characterized by fast charging, smooth displays, and powerful processors. OnePlus fans have come to expect a lot from their devices, and the ACE seems to promise a lot. With its powerful internals and sleek design, it's clear that OnePlus aims to make a strong statement in its category. The anticipation around the ACE is largely due to its expected performance and feature set. As we dive deeper into what makes this phone tick, it's essential to consider what OnePlus brings to the table. The OnePlus ACE boasts a stunning display, with vibrant colors and deep blacks that make watching videos or browsing through photos a delight. Its high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and transitions. When it comes to cameras, the ACE doesn't disappoint. It features a versatile setup that can handle a variety of shooting scenarios, from ultra-wide shots to detailed close-ups. Battery life is another area where the ACE shines. With its large battery and efficient processor, it's not uncommon to get a full day and a half of use on a single charge. Performance-wise, the ACE is equipped with cutting-edge tech that handles demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or just multitasking, this phone keeps up without breaking a sweat. The display on the ACE is AMOLED, offering great contrast and color accuracy. It's also got a high refresh rate, making for smooth visuals. In terms of camera specifics, the ACE features a main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a macro camera. This setup allows for a lot of flexibility when taking photos. Charging on the ACE is fast, thanks to OnePlus's proprietary charging technology. You can quickly top up your battery when you're running low. The software experience on the ACE is also noteworthy. It runs on Oxygen OS, which is known for its clean interface and useful features. Another critical aspect is the phone's build quality. The ACE feels premium, with a sturdy frame and smooth glass back. The phone's audio capabilities are also worth mentioning. It supports high-quality audio formats and has decent speakers. OnePlus has also paid attention to the little details, like including an in-display fingerprint sensor and support for facial recognition. The ACE's performance is backed by its software optimization. OnePlus has managed to create a seamless user experience. With the ACE, OnePlus seems to have checked many of the right boxes. But, like any device, it's not without its drawbacks. One of the cons is its size. Some users might find it a bit too large to handle comfortably. The camera, while versatile, may not produce results that blow away the competition in every scenario. Battery performance can vary depending on usage patterns. Heavy users might find themselves needing to charge more frequently. The phone's high-end features come at a price, placing it in a premium category. When comparing the ACE to its peers, such as the Samsung Galaxy series or the iPhone, it holds its ground well. The ACE stands out with its fast charging and smooth performance. However, some competitors may offer more in terms of camera capabilities or design uniqueness. The choice often comes down to personal preference and ecosystem loyalty. In my personal experience with the ACE, I found it to be a reliable daily driver. The phone's performance has been smooth, and the battery life has been more than sufficient. I've also appreciated the camera's flexibility and the quality of photos it produces. The ACE has become my go-to for both work and play. If you're in the market for a high-performance smartphone that offers great value, the ACE is definitely worth considering. Overall, I'd give the ACE a solid rating for its performance, features, and value. It's especially suitable for heavy users who need a device that can keep up with their demands. If you're a gamer, a power user, or just someone who wants a great smartphone experience without the flagship price tag, the ACE could be an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to check out my other videos where I compare popular smartphones and share my hands-on experiences. Your thoughts and experiences with the ACE are valuable, so please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.